We've all dreamed of it. Time travel, a concept so ingrained in science fiction that it has inspired countless books, movies, and theories. But today, we're not talking about fiction. This is reality. Welcome to the first successful time travel experiment. Before we dive into the groundbreaking experiment that took place, let's take a moment to explore the concept of time travel. Time is something we often take for granted. We experience it in a straight line, from birth to death, one moment after another. But what if we told you time is far more complex? According to Einstein's theory of relativity, time and space are interconnected. Think of them as part of the same fabric, what we call spacetime. When massive objects like planets or stars move, they bend this fabric, which in turn affects how time flows. This is the basis of time dilation, a phenomenon that astronauts experience when they travel at incredibly high speeds. Science fiction has long explored the possibilities of time travel, from creating paradox to rewriting history. But what if we could move beyond theory and fiction? Well, that's exactly what happened just a few weeks ago. After decades of speculation and countless failed attempts, the first successful experiment has shown that time travel is not only possible, it's happening. At the forefront of this breakthrough is a team of brilliant physicists, engineers, and theoretical scientists. Over the past 10 years, they've been working quietly, under strict confidentiality, on a project they simply called Chrono Bridge. We knew it wouldn't be easy, and we faced setbacks after setbacks. But what kept us going was the understanding that time travel, if possible, would reshape humanity's understanding of the universe. The core of this breakthrough is a device known as the Chrono Bridge, a machine designed to manipulate the fabric of space-time. It works by creating a localized time distortion. Think of it like a shortcut through time. The concept builds on decades of theoretical research, ranging from Einstein's relativity to modern quantum mechanics. By generating an immense electromagnetic field and harnessing the energy from subatomic particles, the Chrono Bridge opens a small portal, or wormhole, in space-time. The device calculates the exact point in time it wishes to connect with, allowing an object, or potentially a person, to pass through. As the portal stabilized, the watch disappeared. 5 minutes later, the same wristwatch reappeared, this time carrying a timestamp from 5 minutes earlier. When we saw that watch, it was more than just an object returning. It was proof that time can be altered. Time travel opens up a world of possibilities, but with it comes an overwhelming number of questions and potential dangers. Could we change history? What if we create paradoxes? And how do we prevent time travel from being misused? If time travel is truly possible, we face a moral dilemma. Should we interfere with the past to fix mistakes? And how do we decide which events are worthy of being altered? And what about the future? Traveling into the future, according to Einstein's theory of relativity, is not only possible but a natural consequence of moving at extreme speeds or being near a strong gravitational field. While it might sound like science fiction, the core principle, time dilation, has already been confirmed through experiments with astronauts and high-speed particles. Time dilation is the effect where time moves slower for objects moving at high speeds or in strong gravitational fields. This means that if you were to travel at near light speeds, your perception of time would be much slower compared to someone on Earth. For example, an astronaut traveling at 99% the speed of light might experience a journey that feels like just a few years, while decades could pass on Earth. This is a form of future time travel. The astronaut effectively jumps forward in time relative to the rest of us. Time travel to the future in our personal lives offers a fascinating and mind-bending scenario. Imagine being able to leap forward decades or even centuries in an instant. The idea of skipping through time and seeing how society, technology, and even our loved ones have evolved is both exciting and deeply unsettling. If you could control when and how you travel to the future, it could be a tool for personal exploration. You might skip mundane years of routine to witness key moments in history, or even reap the rewards of investments you made decades earlier. But these benefits come with the weight of missing out on the journey itself, on the moments that make life meaningful. While the benefits are tantalizing, the risks of time travel could be catastrophic. Imagine changing one small event, only for it to spiral out of control. Could we accidentally trigger global conflicts, or erase ourselves from existence? Our next challenge will be to send living matter through the portal. We are preparing tests on plants and simple organisms before moving on to animals or humans. Where do we go from here? Time travel could become the ultimate tool for humanity, or its greatest threat. What we've seen is just the beginning. The key to controlling time lies within our grasp. Success opens doors to questions we never thought possible. But with great power comes great responsibility. We must proceed carefully, for the consequences of altering time could be more unpredictable than we ever imagined. We've opened the door to the future, but it's one we must enter with caution. Time itself may never be the same again. This is only the beginning. Join us as we continue to explore the mysteries of time travel, technology, and the future. Like, share, and subscribe for more groundbreaking content.